In today's video, I'm going to teach you use Google Sheets' new multi-select dropdown. This feature is a simple way to choose more than one item in a single cell, which is especially handy if you've been trying to solve the two dropdowns in one place problem without creating extra columns. Here's how it works. In your spreadsheet, go to the Insert menu at the top and select Dropdown. That opens the drop-down options panel on the side of your screen, where you set up what the list should contain. In that panel, enable the option called Allow Multiple Selections. That's the key setting. Once it's on, the drop-down in your cell can hold several choices at the same time, all within that one cell. After you enable multiple selections, using it is straightforward. Click the small arrow that appears in the cell to open the list. Choose the items you want, and you'll see each selection appear as a neat chip inside the cell. Google Sheets separates the selections visually and also treats them as a comma-separated list behind the scenes, so they remain readable but compact. This is particularly useful when a single row needs to reflect more than one category, status, or owner, and you don't want to add extra columns. Instead of creating two separate drop-downs, the multi-select option lets your cell capture the complete picture at a glance. It keeps your sheet tidy while still preserving the detail you need. Within the Options panel, you can also define the exact list values and apply colors to them, which makes scanning a long sheet much easier. Color coding is purely visual, but it adds clarity when you revisit the data later or share the sheet with teammates who need quick context. A few practical notes will help you get the most out of this. When you copy a cell with multiple selections, those selections travel with the cell, so it's easy to reuse the same setup across your sheet. If you filter or sort your data, remember that a multi-select cell still counts as a single cell, just one that contains several values. And if you use formulas downstream, keep in mind that the cell's content is stored as text with separators, which is helpful to remember if you're summarizing or reporting on selections later. That's all there is to it. Insert, drop down, then enable Allow Multiple Selections. It's a small change that can make your sheet cleaner, more flexible, and easier to maintain.